Hello stock gurus, we're currently live. I think we're currently live, and I'm going to be analyzing the cryptocurrency Ethereum. I'm testing something new, so today I'm doing a live. Hello. I wonder if you can hear me, and I wonder if people are in the chat, but I'm going to test a live video on Ethereum. Hello Luis, this is something different. Larry Bird, good to see you again, Larry. I'm in the amazing address Skyview. Look at this, it's so beautiful place. Hello Adriel, Amanda. Look at this. This is the apartments that I'm staying in. There's the Burj Khalifa. So today, everyone, I'm testing something live. I'm going to do a live Ethereum technical analysis, as you always see me do, just live. So let's jump into it. So you can ask me questions as I do it. Beautiful. How beautiful is this place? So we're jumping straight into the technicals. You can ask me questions on the side. It pops up as a chat toast. What's the food like? It's amazing. Dubai food is just whoa. Well, it's so quick, the chats. Hold on, I'm going to turn on the other chats. Chatting. That's better. 62 people in here live while I do a technical analysis. Amazing. Where are the girls at, James? Where are you hiding them? My girlfriend is in the room. Can I come to see you now? Not tonight, because I'm going to be going to dinner with Crypto and some friends. Hello everyone. I'm live right now.
Yes.
We're going to dinner soon.
Yes.
Awesome. How come? Hey James, hello Monto Dragon. How you doing? What do you think about Algorand? It is I have been told that Algorand is a good project, but I haven't done any tokenomics on it. You're straight right beside my room. Oh, beautiful Lord Tikala. Would be cool to meet up. I'm in the lobby if you guys want to come, but right now I'm going to do technicals on Ethereum, so I try not to get too distracted. Any other live, I feel lucky. Yes, I'm going to do more live, so do technicals like I normally do, just with live behind it. So let's pull up the pen and let's jump into this. You can ask me questions as I do it. Oh, I've got two cameras. Let's use this camera because this camera is more cool. James Ido looks good. What I really want to do a video on as well is DOT. But at the moment, if I do a video on DOT, YouTube will penalize me. So that's why everyone really smash the like button, that thumbs up on my videos, comment on my videos every time I do it, share them, so that way I can do videos on whatever I want, and YouTube algorithm doesn't kill my views. So I'm kind of forced to always do Bitcoin and Ethereum a lot of the time. If I was more able to, I would make a video on Coinbase right now. Coin, the $ coin, the stock, it's about to explode. Coin, I would pay attention to it. Let's jump into the technicals. Everyone, I don't want to get too distracted on others. You can ask me questions, but I'll stick to Ethereum. Sol up 8% today, $120. We were buying it a few months ago if you followed in April. Match up 5%, a stock that I love. ACH up 3%, matches the owner of, and Kasuma is something I'm very, very bullish about. Kasuma is a project that I'm extremely bullish about. I recommend pay attention to that. I'll try to make an updated video. Bitcoin getting really faltering around the 50,000. I'll also try to make an updated video on this. But today we're going to be looking at Ethereum. James forgot to ask, will you give us notification to buy back Radium? Yes. You can follow my live trades, the join button down there, then you get notified of all my trades. But what's actually interesting is Ray didn't pull back that much, everyone. I'm going to wait a little bit more to get more of a confirmation, but at the moment it's not pulling out. Hello Asina, good to see you. So let's jump into Ethereum, which is all the way. I got to clean up my list. BNB is something I'm extremely bullish about. Also cryptocurrency, 14,000 being my targets. Ethereum sitting at 3,757. So we're going to jump into it. I'll move the chats over here. Hello Asina, and I will give you notifications when I buy back into Ray. I'm extremely bullish Ray. Let's pull up the... Okay, so this is Ethereum. We'll go into the daily candles first. Let's go into the monthly candles first. So again, this is on tradingview.com, and you're learning technical analysis here. And these are my specific charts that you learn in the cryptocurrency master course. The links will be down below. Ray, please let us UK people know when you're visiting London. Will do, Amanda. Hi, my friend. Hope you're well. Thank you, Rain Guy. I'm doing good. Atlas has been up 45 times. Good for... Oh, nice. Congratulations. Anyone that bought Star Atlas, yeah, it's extreme. I'm very bullish the game DeFi space. So Ethereum USDT, we're down 1.7%. Now, overall trend, this is since 2018. And again, you learn all this in the crypto course, so I'm going to go very quickly, assuming you already know it. So the trend, massively trending up. Volume predicts price, huge volume. all-time high kind of volume coming for Ethereum. RSI and stochastic are extremely overbought above the dotted lines. The best time to buy is actually down here before they start heading up. So here, when I called it back in May of last year, I started making videos, but Squeeze Mob still releasing to the upside. RSI heading up strongly, stochastic heading up strongly, lots of volume. Trend is your friend. Everything on the monthly is still very bullish. So let's zoom into the daily now. The stock guru bot fired a buy on Ethereum. Wow, 45 times on Star Atlas. Who bought Star Atlas? I want to say congratulations to everyone that bought Star Atlas, because that's amazing. 45x means if you put $1,000 in, you've got. And everyone, I'm going to start doing seed rounds. So I'm going to be involved in finding projects that are in their seed round phase. So that means we can really like get amazing projects early. But let's jump into this. So the stock guru bot firing a buy on Ethereum at 2,000. We were buying a lot of it at 1,600 if you followed my live trades. On the daily, so now each of these candles is 1 day. Overall trend, massively trending up, volume coming in. RSI and stochastic turning up very strongly. And the RSI is just a little bit overbought. I used Squeeze Mob I use Squeeze Mob indicator, RSI indicator, stochastic indicator, volume indicator, the stock guru bot, which alerts you to this buy, where it turns buy and goes blue, or red and goes sell, and the MA cross. These are the main indicators I use. I also use other ones, but they're the main ones. Now, everything's still looking bullish. We've got Squeeze Mob only just starting to release its pressure, which is very bullish. RSI only just starting to be overbought. Stochastic heading up, volume coming in. So everything is looking bullish. We broke out of this ascending wedge to the upside early, which is very nice when it's early. Ascending wedge, the base of the wedge was our target. And the way these work, build up pressure and then explode to the base of the wedge. But because it broke out early, it's very nice. So if you took that trade I talked about in the last video, you already hit, which is very beautiful. Now we're going to check the base of this wedge. So the base of the wedge is here. And this is what the move that we expected. So it was here, but we broke out early. So we already hit that target of the yellow target, 3650. And it got rejected at the 3785. So now 3650 is a support. So now we're going to try and find where we're going to have major resistance. The next major resistance is obviously 3,996. Why? Because that's when we had big resistance when we came up back in May of this year. And this cup and handle is already really formed on Ethereum, and it's ready to go. So that movement for Ethereum is quite big that we're expecting. This was the cup and handle that formed. So this run on Ethereum is not yet finished, in my opinion. With this cup and handle forming, the target is going to be 4,700 for Ethereum, which puts us quite a long distance off. We still got a lot more to go on Ethereum, which is beautiful. That's another $1,000 to go, which is 30%. Hi Rain Guy, hope you're doing well as well. The chats aren't loading properly on this this chat thing, which is unfortunate, but I'll see them pop up soon. So now we've got that resistance there. We hit it at 3785. Good morning, Hitcham from Texas. Hope you're doing well and have an amazing day. So now we've got a new trend line here. I'm going to put in this trend line. We can get a kind of trend line from here also. We've got like a point there, we've got a point there, and this will give us another target, which will be here. So that's another resistance. So the yellow lines, the yellow tags are my targets. The red tags are the supports. Now, when we got to remove all these supports, because now we have a really strong support at 3333. So until Ethereum breaks 3333, we're very, very bullish for Ethereum, which is beautiful. 3,650 is a strong support, and 3756, where we're sitting right now, we have that strong resistance at 3785. So the yellow tags are my targets. And on the daily, it's still looking bullish to keep heading up. We might have a pullback. And in my opinion, what we're going to do is we're going to come down. I'm so sorry for interruption. What's your price expectation for Ray? Long term, it's $69. Short term, I'll have to make an updated technicals, Petro. So in my opinion, Ethereum is going to come down to 3,650, which is maybe $100, maybe. And then move up again and move up to this major resistance at 3,996. So Ethereum was a really good trade to take when we broke out here. Right now, would I open a trade on Ethereum? Not after this week. I would only open the trade once we bounce off 3,650, get a confirmation of a continuation up, and the target would be 3,996. But your risk to reward ratio is not so good right now. So if you would take this trade, I would set because you'd have to set your stop loss below 3,333. So it's almost a $400 drop for only like a $200 gain. So right now, Ethereum is no trading for the next few hours. It was amazing if you bought it here when I made that video a few days ago to break out. That was a good time to be buying. when we broke out of that ascending wedge. So now let's go. So right now, not the best trade, but in my opinion, it's going to come down 3,650, bounce, head up 3,785, 3,996, and then find heavy resistance and then move up again. In long term, Ethereum is extremely bullish. In mid-term, Ethereum is extremely bullish, and the RSI and stochastic still heading up. So it's about to make all-time new highs, in my opinion. We're very close to all-time new highs. It's going to follow something like this. So hit it going into September. It'll be something like that. So by the end of September, we're going to be all-time new highs for Ethereum, which is beautiful. Let's zoom in now to the hourly and see what's going to happen for the next few hours. So this is the technicals that I made for Ethereum a few days ago. Technicals on AR. This video is going to be about Ethereum today, and I'll try to look at another one, but I don't want to make the video too long because I am going to go to dinner, and it's mainly about Ethereum, everyone. If I get distracted, YouTube algorithm. And to help me with the algorithm, everyone smash the thumbs up button and comment in the comment section down below. Comment just thank you, comment thumbs up, comment tickers that you'd like to request, and that way YouTube algorithm takes this video and it spreads it more, and then I can make whatever videos I want. Until we get to around 80,000 or 100,000 subscribers, YouTube is kind of penalizing my videos every time I create something that's not the popular videos like Bitcoin and Ethereum. So to help me with that, where I can make videos on everything that I want to make, which is AR, which will be DOT, which will be Kasuma, which will be Coinbase, smash the thumbs up button on every one of my videos, share it, get 2 people to subscribe, comment on the videos every time you see a comment video. Better days, no, you're not blocked, I can see you. I hope you're having better days. This was the trade that I showed you before in the previous videos on Ethereum. We had an ascending wedge. It was like a rocket ship. We broke out and we exactly hit it. Then we found resistance, and now it's forming a little bit of a cup and handle. I do sometimes use Fibonacci retracement. Like the video, guys. Thank you, Dio. So now we have a cup and handle forming here also, everyone, which is very nice. Cup and handle. The only problem, the handle went a bit lower than it should, but it is a cup and handle on the 1 hour candles. Cup and handle is also another bullish pattern that would give us another kind of short-term little target for Ethereum, which will put us at 3,880. So that's a cup and handle pattern, which is very nice. So those are the targets for Ethereum: 3,879, 3,996, and on the 15-minute charts, the 1 hour charts, Squeeze Mob is building pressure. RSI and stochastic are turning to head down, and lots of selling volume. But I wouldn't sell it here. In my opinion, we've got too strong of a support here and at 3,650. I would not sell Ethereum here. The MA did cross though, everyone. The MA did cross the head down. That's why I'm saying we're in no man's land until we get a bounce off here. Then you could open a trade at 3,650 once it turns to head up. Why? Because we had an MA cross the head up here, and then we had an MA cross the head down here. So we've got to be a little bit careful. It's still looking bullish in my opinion, but I wouldn't really open a trade because the risk to reward ratio, you'd have to set your stop loss really to be safe below 3,333. You've been spot on so far for years. Thank you, Sivaj. You would buy Ethereum now. For long-term holdings, I would. Oh, Radium is popping off. Nice, Masilino. Let's jump into it also. So that's the technicals for Ethereum. So in my opinion, again on the hourly charts, we're going to come down to 3,650, but I wouldn't short it. I would wait for a bounce, confirmation of a bounce to start heading up. Then the targets will be 3,785, 3,879, 3,996, and this major resistance at 4,148. Now let's jump into, let's look in the 15 minutes also so we can see what's going to happen. And on the 15 minutes, we do have this cup and handle. The cup and handle is formed, so this is kind of bullish. The Squeeze Mob is building pressure. RSI turning down, but almost oversold now, and stochastic oversold heading up. Lots of volume. We could really turn here. What we want to see is we want to see it either come down to 3,650, bounce, and then we get a confirmation of movement up, or the best case scenario is we turn right now and head up. And in my opinion, we are going to hold here. There's a lot of support here, and it's going to turn and head up. Everyone is paying attention to Ethereum right now. So the target 3,879 is the next target in the very short term for Ethereum within the next few hours. Yes, the cup and handle is playing out on a lot of cryptos and also on the long-term view of it. So now let's go into Radium because apparently it's popping off. I want to check it out. Radium up. Oh, nice. So everyone, I'm going to buy back into Radium right now after this video. I will be buying back into Radium because it was meant to sell off now. The time of the sale of Star Atlas, the IDO has finished, but everyone's piling into Radium, so that's very bullish. It should have very strongly dropped. So right now I'm going to buy into Radium. Why? Let's zoom into the hour on the daily. On the daily, we don't have enough information, but very overall trend, massively trending up, huge volume coming in. On the hourly, RSI and stochastic turning up very strongly and huge buying volume. So radium is going to take a run, everyone. We have huge buying volume. Volume coming in, RSI heading up, stochastic heading up, squeeze mob only starting to release its pressure. And that means the targets will be 12.50 and 12.985, where we're going to have heavy resistance. But this is very bullish. Why? RSI making high lows, stochastic making high lows, volume coming in, squeeze mob building pressure. We're back into this trend line. We're back into this trend line that radium's been following. And the main reason is a lot of people should have sold off after the Star Atlas IDO, but they didn't. It just dropped a little bit. It barely moved. That means they're staying with radium's project. But I would wait until this hourly candles confirm above here. The stock guru bot just now, just as I drew that, fired a buy. Everyone see that? The stock guru bot, which you get in the cryptocurrency mastercourse, just fired a buy right now. So it's very bullish. I'm going to be buying into Ethereum right now. Radium. After this video, I'll buy into Radium. Then I zoom into the 15 minutes. And on the 15 minutes, also looking extremely bullish. Squeeze mob building pressure. RSI heading up, stochastic heading up, volume coming in. Stock guru bot firing a buy on the 15 minutes. We're back in that trend line. The targets are $12.50, $12.90, and $14. Actually, the resistance will be $14.17, everyone, which is beautiful. Star Atlas up 6,620% from IDO. Amazing. James, on your Solana video, you said Sol would be 4x or 200 max. Do you still think that? Yes. I'm very bullish Sol, and I still think it has a lot of potential. So everyone, I'm going to jump off this video. Thank you so much for this quick live. I'm going to buy Ray right now. To find out where to buy Ray, I recommend joining the Discord. There's many Americans in the Discord. We have nearly 1,000 people. I'll show you the Discord we have going. This is our Discord chat room. Stock Guru Mastermind, the Stock Guru chat room. We have 1,100 people in here, 132 people online. So this is what the Discord looks like, and this is the crypto chat. Sorry, there's so many windows and so many messages. My phone is like red. That's why I can't answer everyone all the time. Everyone, I get really thousands of messages. But this is the crypto chat. So here you can talk. Everyone's kind of talking. You could probably talk in both chats right now. But this is just the last hour of chat. So you can all talk in here and ask people about different cryptos and where they're buying them. Be careful. Always do your own due diligence. But there's many Americans in here, so they can tell you where they're buying Ray. Guys, he's saying Ray is going to dip to the Star Atlas. If you bought in the high, I suggest not to sell and just DCA. Good call, Lee Chung, because it did exactly that. And Ray is pumping, which is beautiful. Did James mention how low Ray would go before buy-in? I'm going to buy right now. So I'm going to message them. I'm live right now. And I'm going to buy Ray. So thank you all for watching. I hope you have an amazing day. I will try to make more of these lives because I like them, because I can answer your messages. And Kevin, I will do an updated Doge. Maybe the next live will be an updated Doge. I'll try to post it also, the technicals, in the chat room. Thank you all for watching. Have an amazing day. I have to keep it short because this is a live video that I want to focus on Ethereum, and I want to get it out to everyone. Actually, it's already out to everyone because it's live, which is beautiful. Smash the thumbs up button. Comment. Let's check out Doge because it's already live. I don't need to quickly rush. You all saw the technicals, and anyone. But the live has to finish for them to see the technicals also. Okay, so I have to make a separate video for Ray. Thank you, everyone. Thank you all, 141 of you. Smash the thumbs up button. Comment as much as you can on my video. Share this video with 2 best friends. Tell them to subscribe. And everything you learn here, you learn in the cryptocurrency mastercourse. Join my 2,500 students. Thank you, Mondo Dragon. Thank you, Kevin. Thank you, Thomas. And like and comment and share every one of my videos. That way I can make videos on what's going to make the most money for you guys. I want to do it as much as I can, but I don't want to hurt the YouTube algorithm, so I can get more views and help more people. That's the key. Thank you, everyone. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Ooh, how do I...